Hey everybody, this is Mrs. Harris and we are doing a flipped classroom. Today I'm going to show you how to construct a translation along a vector. Number 5, use a compass and straight edge to construct the image of triangle ABC after the rigid motion. Translate along vector A prime, label the image DEF. This is the vector that we're going to translate. The first step is to measure how long your vector is. We are going to use our compass to do this measuring. Off of points B and off of point C, you're going to make an arc that represents the vector length. Make those a little bit darker for you. The next part of the translation is where you actually slide your compass down the vector. You're going to open it from A to B. You're going to pick your compass up. Right now I'm in the beginning of the vector. I'm going to jump it down to the end of the vector and I'm going to get an X marks the spot for point B. Now I'm going to open my compass from A to C. I'm at the beginning of the vector. I'm going to jump my compass down to the end of the vector. Now I'm going to label. Label the image DEF. The letters correspond, so A is going to become D. B is going to become E, and C is going to become F. The last step is to take your straight edge and connect. Okay, number 6. We're going to show you another translation. The difference is the vector is not attached to one of the vertices. So essentially we do the same thing. The first step is the same. Copy the vector length off of each vertex. So figure out how long your vector is with your compass. You're going to copy this length off of each point. Z, Y, and X. The next step, open your compass from the vertex to the end of the vector, or the beginning of the vector. So let's do X first. From the beginning of the vector all the way to X. Now you're going to pick your compass up and move it to the other end of the vector, and you should get an intersecting point. That would be where X is going to land. You're going to do this again for each vertex. Okay, the next one is from P to Y. So you're going to go from the beginning of the vector down to the other end of the vector, and you should get an intersecting point. And then you're going to do it one more time for the last part of the triangle, from P to Z. Starting at the beginning of your vector, jump to the other end, and you should get another intersecting point. Okay? In this problem, X becomes E, Y becomes F, and Z becomes G. Okay, and then you're going to use your straight edge to draw your new image triangle.